We are here today to come and deliver our document to Prime Minister of England and the United Nations because we are ready to leave Nigeria. So after this rally, we are going back to Nigeria. Yes! After this rally, I promise you, my people in Nigeria, my Yoruba people in Nigeria, I am the Sunday Adeni.
Osha! Osha!
What do you say?
I fear only God. Yes. If you God say yes, nobody can say no. Yeah. After this, my document delivered to this country, I'm coming back to my land.
Yes. In good health.
To let our people Yoruba know that we are ready to go.
That's it.
Yes.
This time is not first time. I swear, this time is not last time. Because only God can kill us. Nigeria government can kill all Yoruba. No. We are more than 80 people in that Nigeria.
80 million.
We are under 80 million people. We are under 80 million. Yes, in Nigeria. So then, I know myself as a Yoruba man. 100% Yoruba. All my body, all my
Igboho!
So today, it's not a joking day because we are ready to deliver this document. Yes. Then I know God is already listening to us. Yes. I want you to know, my people, God is already listening to us. Yes. But this country, they will listen. 100% they will listen to us. Yes. By fire, by force.
From shoulder to shoulder.
That is why I'm an appeal to all over the world, United Nations and British country. Before it's too late, start and come and